Welcome to THG Week Rewind, episode 14. Let's rewind the week. The week started with an FIR lodged against Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on court orders. The FIR accused her of extortion of 8,000 crores concerning electoral bonds. The FIR also named ED officials, BJP leaders and Nalin Katil. Congress party demanded the resignation of Sitharaman. The Karnataka High Court later ordered a stay on the investigation. Iran on Tuesday launched a missile attack in response to Israel's killing of Hezbollah chief Hassan Nasrallah in Beirut last week and the July 31st assassination of Hamas political chief Ismail Haniyeh in Tehran. Later on Friday, Iranian Supreme Leader Ayatollah Khomeini for the first time in 5 years addressed a Friday sermon and called for the unity of Muslims. Last week, after observing caste-based discrimination in prisons, the Supreme Court initiated a suo motu case and struck down discrimination based on caste, gender and disability, terming it unconstitutional. The apex court said there cannot be any stigma attached to the existence, touch or presence of any person, and that the right to live with dignity extends even to the incarcerated, and directed jail officials to ban the segregation of work based on caste and ordered revision of jail manuals within 3 months. Last week, the union government in an affidavit to the Supreme Court argued that criminalizing marital rape would be excessively harsh and could undermine the sanctity of marriage. The government highlighted existing legal protections for married women against sexual violence and suggested that marital rape should not be punished as severely as rape by strangers. Affidavit filed by the Ministry of Home Affairs invoked social and religious principles, stating that while a husband should not violate his wife, such offences within marriage should not attract harsh penalties. On Thursday, a group of Supreme Court lawyers protested against the court canteen's decision to serve only vegetarian food during the Navratri festival. In a letter to the Supreme Court Bar Association, the lawyers called the move unprecedented and expressed concern that it could set a negative precedent for the future. The private contractor had independently made this decision, and the next day the decision was reversed and non-vegetarian food was served at the canteen. Controversial Mahant Yati Narsinghnath was detained on Saturday in UP after an FIR was lodged against him for making blasphemous statements against Prophet Muhammad. That's it for today. Follow the Hindustan Gazette for more.